Lost Cities of the World MCQ quiz. Which lost city was rediscovered in Peru in 1911? Petra, Machu Picchu, Pompeii, Angkor Wat. And the right answer is which ancient city was buried under volcanic ash in 1979 CE? Troy, Pompeii, Babylon, Thebes. And the right answer is which lost city is located in Jordan and carved into rock? Petra, Chichen Itza, Teotihuacan, Persepolis. And the right answer is which lost city is associated with the legend of the Trojan War? Athens, Sparta, Troy, Rome. And the right answer is which lost city was once the capital of the Khmer Empire? Bagan, Angkor, Ayutthaya, Borobudur. And the right answer is which lost city is believed to be submerged underwater near Greece? Atlantis, El Dorado, Lemuria, Avalon. And the right answer is which lost city was discovered in Mexico and built by the Maya? Chichen Itza, Machu Picchu, Tikal, Cusco. And the right answer is which lost city was an ancient Mesopotamian center located in present-day Iraq, Babylon, Nineveh, or all of the above? And the right answer is which lost city was hidden deep in the Cambodian jungle? Angkor, Troy, Petra, Memphis. And the right answer is which lost city is associated with gold and legend in South America? Atlantis, El Dorado, Shambhala, Avalon. And the right answer is which lost city in Italy was destroyed by Mount Vesuvius? Pompeii, Rome, Florence, Venice. And the right answer is which lost city was rediscovered in the deserts of Namibia? Great Zimbabwe, Coleman's Timbuktu, Axum. And the right answer is which lost city was once a powerful Incan capital? Cusco, Lima, Bogota, Quito. And the right answer is which lost city in Turkey is linked with ancient Greek epics? Ephesus, Troy, Pergamon, Antioch. And the right answer is which lost city was found in the Sahara Desert in Mauritania? Chinguetti, Timbuktu, Ouaddamme, Obar. And the right answer is which lost city is known as the city of the Caesars in Patagonia? Atlantis, El Dorado, Ciudad de los Caesars, Avalon. And the right answer is which lost city was buried under jungle in Honduras? Popan, La Ciudad Blanca, Tikal, Uxmal. And the right answer is which lost city in India belonged to the Indus Valley Civilization? Mohenjo-daro, Patliputra, Varanasi, Madurai. And the right answer is which lost city is linked to the mythical land of Atlantis? Pompeii, Troy, Atlantis, Babylon. And the right answer is Which lost city was discovered near the Dead Sea region? Jericho, Petra, Masada, Damascus. And the right answer is which lost city of Zimbabwe features massive stone ruins? Great Zimbabwe, Axum, Lalibela, Timbuktu. And the right answer is which lost city was a major center of trade in Mali? Gao, Timbuktu, Jenny, Segu. And the right answer is which lost city in Cambodia features the temple Angkor Wat? Phnom Penh, Siem Reap, Angkor, Battambang. And the right answer is which lost city in Peru predates the Inca Empire? Nazca, Caran, Cusco, Arequipa. And the right answer is which lost city is associated with the Nuptians? Petra, Babylon, Athens, Troy. And the right answer is